Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to use connectors. So here we have two meshed surfaces with holes in them. So the connectors options is used to connect two or more components. Okay. So the connectors option is available in 1D, 2D or 3D. You can go to any one of them. We'll go to 2D now. Here we have connectors. Then under connectors we have different options: bolt, seam, area, etc. Okay, so for this example we select bolt. So here we have different options: bolt, create, realize, edit. So we'll go to create. We'll select the nodes which we'll use for connection. So we're going by path. Okay, so we'll select the nodes. So we have selected nodes, then we'll select the components. Okay, now as you can see the connectors are created, but they are in yellow color. So what does this yellow color mean? So basically when connectors are yellow in color, that means they are unrealized. So unrealized as in they are now a part of the geometry. They represent a connection in geometric terms but not in FE terms. So when you run the model, the Hypermesh model which you have created with mesh, so these connectors won't come in that, won't be taken into account in that model unless these are realized. So how to realize them? So we'll go to realize. So here you can see we have to select the connectors here. We'll select the connectors. So we have selected the connectors. Now we have to select what type of element we'll use here. Like bolt general is there. We have C bar element. We have spider. We have bolt washer too. So if you select bolt general, it will create using RB2 elements. And if you select C bar as I'm going to select now, it will use C bar element. Okay, so we have selected the connectors and we have selected the bolt element type as C bar. So we'll click on realize, and as you can see the connector is realized. See, the color is changed to green. See, it's changed to green. Okay, so now as you see, if I hide these services, you can see this is the top part is RV2, bottom part is RV2, and the connecting part is C bar element. So if we would have selected here bolt general, then the C bar element would have also been a RV2 element. So like that you can try for different types of element. Okay, so now the connector is in realized state, so it's a part of a FE model now. So when you run the model in the solver using this connection, it will consider the connection. So one way to suppose we have realized the connectors now, but what if there's some things we have to change in that we have to edit something. So we have a edit option here. So in this edit option you have the option to change the property here. So as you can see, one property is defined already here, bolt property. You can use the same property, or you can create a property using your own property and you can update it here. We have not used any property here in this one, so if you want you can update the property here. One more thing, this is how we create and realize the connector, but how to manage the connectors, how to see how many connectors are there in a model. So for that we can go here in the browser section and we have a connector here. So we can browse through how many connectors are there. As you can see, bolt C bar 26 connectors are there. Okay, so suppose if this is not available in your browser, so you can go to view, browsers, Hypermesh, and then you have a connector option here. So if you check this, it will appear in your browser. So you have, like this, you have different options for connectors. You have this option for spot. Similar way you have to select the nodes. and the components, and you have to give the tolerance and number of layers between them, and you can just create them. So this is all for this video. See you all in the next video.